One of the most important concepts when dealing with polynomials is factoring them. This idea shows up a lot of times, let's say when we're doing limits or when we're doing derivatives and trying to figure out where it becomes zero or not. And what does it mean to ask about factoring? It's basically start with a polynomial, which is basically the sum of these two terms, and then rewrite it as a product. And in order for you guys to rewrite it as a product, you're basically using this property, A times B plus or minus C equals AB plus or minus AC. So you're using this property actually in the reverse. You're in this situation, you try to write it as a product, taking out what we call common factors. So how do you do that? Look at these two terms, 6x to the third minus 4x. You first find a common number inside 6 and 4. Common number is something that's multiplied to give you 6 and multiplied to give you 4. That's obviously 2. Then you look at the x values here, and since we have a polynomial, there will always be some powers of x there. So this one is x cubed and that one is x. The common thing is always the variable in the lowest power that you see it. Third here, there's a hidden first there, so x to the first, or just x. And then inside the parentheses, we put whatever is missing in order to get to 6x to the third. What do we mean by that? Which number do we need to multiply 2 to get 6? Well, we need a 3. And then what power of x do we need to multiply x with to get x to the third? And here you need to think that if I use x, then it's x times x, x squared. If I use x squared, it's x times x squared gives you x cubed. So basically, you put whatever number you need here, plus this number is going to give you 3. Finally, if we go to the next term, don't forget the minus here. 4 is 2 times 2, so there's a 2 missing here. And we've already taken this x out, so you don't need anything else. All right? And this is basic factoring here. This is 2x times 3x squared minus 2. This can continue on a little bit, but we'll see that in the next video.